Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Grow and Give Garden. Let me show you around.
The gardening club at Give is a group of people at Give who come out during advisement to just have a chance to learn and explore outside. It just looks beautiful. I'm just happy when I come out to the garden.
Behold the beauty behind you. You are responsible for that moment of solitude. So we thank you for that.
This was just an empty space. It wasn't being utilized in any manner. I wanted them to have a place where they could receive STEAM enrichment. I wanted them to be able to consider green careers. I wanted them to be able to unearth their latent leadership skills. So I hope that all of those things are fulfilled through the garden. I hope that it makes an impact on them that's lasting.
The Green Team is like a little garden program to where everybody can come out and enjoy the garden, get fresh air.
We have kale, we have a lot of berries.
The squash right here, and then we got another batch of peppers right here. That's the Grow and Give team right there.
I think everybody that's been involved is extremely proud, especially me. We met with Shalandra, I believe, in July of 23, and that's when it started. And people got on board. I called a lot of my vendors and colleagues, and so people were giving in-kind gifts. My own personal staff has been out here putting in a lot of sweat equity, so it's definitely been a team effort. There's a lot of value on learning in a different capacity, and it's not always in the classroom. I just feel like there's a lot of life lessons here.
Our kids are really, really excited about it. We are completely committed to keeping it afloat. Our kids are evolving into better leaders, so it's going to be here as long as it's needed.